Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set your iPhone 13 series to detect baby crying, coughing or shouting sound. Now first let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Accessibility. Next we go down and tap on Sound Recognition. In here at the top, turn on Sound Recognition toggle button, and then tap on Sounds. Next, go down to the People section and tap on Baby Crying Sound if you want to turn it on. Tap on the Baby Crying toggle button. Next, you can also tap on Alert Tones. In here, you can choose an alert tone that you want to use. And then down here, if you want to also turn on coughing or shouting, you can tap on that and then tap on shouting. And then in here you can also choose a different alert tones for shouting. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.